This time, we'll be making a chunky bat. So get your hands warmed up and ready to go. Grab yourself a dark colour of modelling clay. It can be any colour you like. Then add some matching lighter colour, a bit of white, red and a little bit of black. You'll also need some little wooden sticks. Start with just the dark colour and pinch off a bit for later. Warm the clay up in your hands to make it softer and then roll it into a sausage. Choose one of the ends and then just roll that side to make it a bit thinner. Smooth out both the small and the big end, and now you should have something that looks a bit like a pear shape. Put that to one side and then grab the other piece. Roll it into a ball. Oh dear, that's not going to be enough. I'll just get some more. Hey, that's weird. Ah well, I can use that later. Now, roll the small balls into tree trunk shapes. These are going to be the bat's legs. Get 2 of your little sticks and push them into the top of the legs. Then push these leg sticks into the bigger end of the pear shape. Now I'm just going to smooth these in. Don't worry if yours looks a bit different. Chunky bats come in all shapes and sizes. There we go. Grab some more of your darker colour and roll it into a ball. Squash this out flat and then pinch one of the sides to make a pointy ear shape. Make another one just like it. Grab the rest of your dark colour and roll it into an oval head shape. Now, using a clay tool, a small spoon or a stick, dig out the shape of a mouth. This can be a bit tricky, so don't worry if yours doesn't turn out quite the same. It'll just have more character. I'm just going to smooth out the edges and then using my tool, smooth the inside of the mouth. Hey, I needed that! Now, put your head to one side and grab your white, red and black. Oh, no, they can't be in here, can they? Maybe in this. Oh! Ah, they're here on the mat already. Get your white and roll out 2 small sphere shapes. Flatten one side out on the table. Next, do the same again, but make these spheres pointy. These are going to be our bat fangs. Then, using the red clay, make a little tongue. Just a bump shape will do. Lastly, using the black, roll 2 tiny balls which will be our bat's pupils. Stick these onto your white eyes and then stick all of it onto the face. To finish off your ears, get your lighter colour, then roll 2 balls and squash them into really flat circles. Stick these at the bottom of the ears. Then, using a tool, ruler or stick, cut the ends flat so it's easier to stick them onto the head. Find your little sticks again and use some to attach the ears onto the head. And then attach the head onto the body. Oh dear, you need some wings. Grab your lighter colour and split it into 2 balls. Flatten both of them and then cut out the shape of a wing. After you've cut it out, you can always squash the shape around a bit more. Make the other wing and then grab some of your darker colour. Roll this out into a long thin sausage. Use this to add on the bat's fingers, just like this. But don't worry if your bat has a different number of fingers. Add some more of the little sticks for support. And then attach your bat's wings to its body. That's better.